Good morning students, welcome to our science class, 8th science class. So this class we are studied about the microorganism book back questions and 1 marks brief and details we are explaining this class. Okay, first of all question number 1, choose. First question number 1, microorganism are measured in micron. Next, show what living and non-living characteristics of virus. Dash is a prokaryotic microorganism. Bacteria is a prokaryotic microorganism. Based on shape, the bacteria are classified into 4 types. There are 4 types of bacteria shape present in the microorganisms lesson. Okay, microorganisms. The plant body of algae is called as thallus. Okay, next fill in the blanks. Okay, dash is prepared from a mold called penicillium. Penicillium is prepared from a mold called as penicillium. So, prions are the infectious proteins particles. Okay, next, the infected virus particles found outside the host cell is a virions. Microorganisms can be with the help of microscope. Bacteria which have a flagellum at the end is called as classified as penicillium, prions, virions. Microscope monotrichos. Okay. Next, nitrogen fixing bacteria and is answer Rhizobium. Tuberculosis is answer is bacteria. So next, Kuru. His answer is also prion. Probiotic. C. Lactobacillus acidophilus. Fifth one, Edward Jenner. A. Vaccine. Okay. Say true or false. There are 5 true false are present in the microorganisms lesson. First one, disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. This format also correct format. So answer is a true. So female Anobilus mosquito is a carrier of dengue virus. So this format also wrong. So answer is a female. Okay. So female Anobilus mosquito is a carrier of malaria. Okay. So chickenpox is a communicable disease. Okay. Answer true. So next is citrus cancer is transmitted by the insect. True. A citrus cancer is transmitted by the air and water. Okay. So there are citrus cancer are affected from the plant lemon plant. Okay. Yeast used in the large scale of production of alcohol. Answer true. In each of the following questions, a statement of acceleration given, corresponding statement of reason is given just below it. Of the 4 statements given below, mark 1 as a correct answer. Sorry. So short type of brief questions. Write the name of any nitrogen fixation bacteria, Rhizobium. Next, name of the bacteria used in the production of vinegar, Acidobacter acid. So write in the names any 3 protozoans, amoeba, plasmodium, paramecium. Who discovered penicillium? So Alexander Fleming discovered within the flame penicillium. Okay. So which disease can be prevented by the vaccination? Smallpox, polio, measles, mumps, rubella, tuberculosis. Okay. So write the 4 types of bacteria based on the shape. Bacilli, spiral, cocci, vibrio. Red-shaped, spiral-shaped bacteria, spiral or ball-shaped bacteria, comma-shaped bacteria. Okay. Write or antibiotic. Antibiotic is a substance produced in a living organism which toxic for other organism. Example, penicillium. What are the pathogens? Disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. Example, the bacterium Mycobacterium. Tuberculosis causes tuberculosis in human beings. Okay. So
next we are explain within the details. Okay, thank you.